Good morning and happy Veterans Day. My name is Bonnie and I am the wifely unit. And this is my dooryard. And then try one with a primer and one without. And we'll see which one looks better. Just a light sanding on it.
You might need that.
Yeah, now I've got paper.
Okay.
I don't want to get that yucky.
Well, no,
if you come across a tiny bit, so.
If you come across any polishing compound that needs or dust or you know.
All right, so here's the one with primer.
Your
have to
lighting's
use this.
Yeah, your lighting's not good. There you go.
I have to close one eye.
Oh, it sucks getting old, doesn't it?
Yep, exactly. Oh, my hands aren't as... because of my shoulder, I'm having a hard time keeping steady. That's all right. We can wipe it off. Get the magnifying just right.
What do you think? How's it going? Is it going to work out?
Yeah. And I don't think we really need to prime. They look pretty much the same to me.
You primed this one, waited for it to dry.
I primed the left one.
Primed the left one, waited for it to dry, sanded it just a whisker, and then painted.
I didn't sand it, but...
Okay. Okay. Well, you know, that's kind of the normal thing, but...
Since when have I been normal?
Yeah, good point. Look at you married. I wouldn't fuck with that too much.
There was a drip.
Yeah. Well.
And I can go back over afterwards too and smooth everything once everything's dry. Do one more coat.
Yeah. Well, let it come to the front.
Okay.
Maybe you might want to show your viewers what we got going on.
Yeah.
And
so we got one here. One on your
they can't see
left.
They can't see that.
Yeah, I think you can see that.
Alright, well you do you.
That's alright.
I'm going to go back polishing for a while.
Okay, I'm going to let these dry and then I'll make a decision and keep going. I think I'm just going to keep going. I'm just going to do the...
like I said though, I do the inside of everything.
Yeah.
And then I do the lettering, and then I do the outside ring so that, you know, you're not reaching over your own work.
Yep.
But that's just me.
Just a little. Yeah, it's going to take 2 coats for sure. Hello, Squishy. What's going on? Cat's behind the camera. What are you doing? It's Dad's scrubbing pad. Stupid dogs again. Alright, so I apologize. I have to turn this way, but this is the only way I can do it, and hopefully not make a mess. You just went ding on your computer and on my phone.
Yes, because your phone is now connected, so all your texts and all your communications go through the PC as well.
Let's see.
This one I don't think is as good as the other two, but like we just said, when you're building the Taj Mahal, there's quite a bit more scratching going on in here inside the little dish on this one.
Yep.
Those two are definitely winners, though.
Yeah.
Those two, I don't know. Those are awesome.
Almost halfway there.
With the first ring?
Yeah. Can you see the difference on the camera? I don't know if you can or not. But...
Yeah, it's tough telling, not knowing.
Yeah.
I'll have to look at it afterwards.
Yeah. I've gotten the...
Okay, so let me...
Gotten down what I'm doing. It's going a lot faster.
So you've essentially done this half towards you?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on a second. Let me change your lighting just a little bit. Oh yeah. When you look straight down, these things are gonna look awesome on the car.
Awesome. Good.
I was just thinking about that. Oh,
your phone's ringing.
Maybe it's the guy.
Oh, could be. Run, run, run. Show you what it looks like so far. Maybe without that light on you can see it better. But this is it. Twist it around. This is with. This one's not done, so maybe you can see the difference that way. Let's see on the big screen. So anyway, there's the inside strips, I'm going to take a quick break, and then we'll come back and start the letters. Yep, he's right. That is almost all done. So we've got one done. This is the one that's done. And then we have this one that's not done yet, so you can see the difference. This is the painting job that I just did. And it took me quite a while. Oh, look. Lemony Jello. Hello. He's been supervising along with the other two. But anyway, we've got this done. Tomorrow we will, after it's dry, we will check it out and see if it's going to flake off or scrub off or if it's going to be all right. And with that, camera out and say,
like, subscribe, click the bell icon, comment, share, tell your friends, tell your neighbors, go on top of your roof and shout it out to the entire neighborhood.
Yeah, what he said.
Thank you. Have a good night.